So hey guys, welcome back to the Table Boy. In this video we are going to learn a new beat that goes like this. So before starting the video, if you haven't watched the previous tutorial videos, then don't forget to watch them later. It feels very great to see such nice comments on the videos. So thanks a lot for all the videos. So thanks a lot for all the comments which you all have made on the previous videos. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So for learning this beat, you have to learn 3 strokes. 1, 2 and 3. That is 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Instead of this, you can also do this for a crisp sound. So like 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. So now we'll break the beats in 3 steps. Step number 1, 2 and 3. So step 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Practice 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Or 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay, now step 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Step 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. So once more, step 1, 1, 1, 2. Step 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. And step 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. So now, before playing the whole beat, now let's play the whole beat together. Three, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. So with practice, you can play this beat in a much faster speed. Like this. Thanks for watching the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel if you liked this video, and also don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks a lot.